How to make videos on TikTok. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So first of all, you need to open up your TikTok application on your device. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the homepage of TikTok from where you can discover the various TikTok videos. So in order to create a video, you need to first log into your account. For that, you can tap on your profile option at the right bottom corner, and here will be the option for sign up. You can simply tap on sign up option and you can enter your preferred credentials and log into your account. Once you do that, you'll be able to see your profile. So in order to make video, you need to tap on plus option at the center of the lower button, and after that you'll be opened up to this interface. At the right hand side there are various options, and as well as at the lower button there are also various options. So in order to make a video, you need to tap on this red button at the center of the lower button. You can also flip the camera, use speed, and you can use the various filters and other beauty effects. Once you are done creating a video, you can tap on tick option at the right lower button, and after that you'll be able to see this interface. Here also you can edit your video if you want, and once you're done you can go for next option, and from over here you can tap on post and post your video. So this is how you make videos on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.